We want to buy the robot, but we do not have enough money.
Do you need money now? Boys, I have a job for you. You take this box to my friend.
You need to follow this map carefully. This road goes to the forest.
I will remember this way. What do you say to me?
You must turn left at the big tree.
I think I understand everything.
Do not forget my last words.
We start our trip now. Let's go! We can get $50. We will have $80. I hold the map. You show me the way. I feel very hot and tired. You make me forget the way. Oh, that is not my fault. You talked too much before. You do not listen. You are wrong. I feel angry with you now.
Arf.
Is that dog looking at us? Run now! The dog is very scary. Ah! We are safe now. That was very funny. I am sorry, my friend.
It is okay, we are friends. We go together.
This road is closed now.
I do not know where to go now.
Can you show us the place? Turn right, then turn left, and you'll get there. We are very close now. We can finish this task. We are very lucky now. Oh my God, the sky is dark. Oh no, it starts to rain. We need to run fast now. I must keep the box safe. Oh no, there is no place here. We are all very wet now. The box looks very bad now. I hope everything is still okay. I see a strange woman there. She is looking at us. We need to go to the place fast. You're right. I think we go left here.
Wait, I want to tell you something.
Stop! You are going the wrong way! We need to run now. We need to turn here. No! We keep running now. Keep going, she's catching up. Oh no, this is a dead end. Oh, we cannot go anywhere now. Oh no, she is blocking us. I feel very scared now.
Do not be scared. I will not hurt you. I know your parents very well. You look very familiar to me.
I follow you to help you. We take this box to Dad's friend.
Can you help us find the place?
Yes, I will help you now. Keep going, it's just over this hill. Looks like we're on the right track.
We are here now.
Thank you so much. You are welcome. I feel very relaxed now.
I think the box is not good.
Oh, you are here. Why is it wet? I feel very nervous now. Everything is safe inside. The box is still okay. I give you $10 to thanks.
We have more money now. Yeah! I told you, so much money! Let's go! We will have $88.
We can buy the robot soon.
I want to check my money now.
Oh no, my money is gone. I do not have my $28.
Oh my God! I feel very sad now.
Do not worry. I am here with you. We can earn the money again. Thank you, my friend.
I am sorry for my words before. I am sorry too.
We will try again together. Do you think we can find the money? Can you tell us what will happen? Oh! Oh my God! I see the money! We find it now!
I lose my money. Where is it?
Is this her money?
It is mine!
Is it mine?
What should we do now? Can you tell us what to do? Welcome, everyone. Please like and share Sun English for us. And please subscribe to our channel to help us make more videos.